Yeah, girl. You just chilling? 110% for sure. 110% for sure. Yo, what is good? What is good? What is goody? Hopefully, we can have a 20 to 30 minute stream. Usually when I don't get no questions asked or nothing to explain, it's just kind of easy to go off. I would like to mark up a couple of charts, see what I see in the market. I'll do a couple of markups so I could probably push it off. But hey, my name is Vaughn Goals. I think that's this channel name. I am, or I want to be one of the best in the world at this trading. It has just hit 7 o'clock. I have entered this trade around 11, and we're gonna break down what can we see in the market, how can we see it in the market, and why do we see it in the market. Let's go. We're gonna enter. We're gonna make this money, and we're gonna tell y'all how to make this money. We're gonna teach y'all how to fish, man, instead of just giving y'all the fish. Let's go. Let's get into it. Best in the world. First, we're gonna start off with US30. Matter of fact, let's start off high. We're gonna start off with gold. Sure gold. So what can we have seen today? Like I said, gold. Like I said, I do want to break the whole market down, but on gold time frame, we're not really looking at a 4 hour. But we are going to delete this because we kind of do want to mark up the 4 hours. So as you can see, we want to mark up the highs and the lows. So this was the low. I'm going to delete this. And look, high, low, high, breaks here. This is the low before it broke here. This is the low, and it keep going up. So right now, it's not really coming back. You would want price to come somewhat back over here, but gold is in such an uptrend. We can't even do a how we trade our strategy. So the best thing for gold at this time was to just hold since right here, and then went up 500 points. It's crazy, but so the best thing you could do was gold if you was trading my strategy, how it's really supposed to be traded. So you try to get in somewhere and just hold it. But we can't hold because it's not coming back. This is the low. This is the high. Even if it goes above here, guaranteed it usually go back to where price is originally at the high, but it doesn't have to break the low. That's what the market does. Just good. It's just a pattern. Super simple, and people just can't digest it. Now we go to 1 hour. Why I say 1 hour? Because it's most likely it's such a super uptrend. It's not even coming back down here. Like as you can see, it went here, went up. Once it broke out of here, like I said, it broke here. Once it came back above here, it went here. Didn't break this, came right here, came to the same spot, came right here, boom. Didn't break lows, came back to the same spot. So granted, I'm telling y'all something that is right already. So look, look, it breaks highs, go to the next high. Look at the next high. Every time it comes above here, it goes. Like, look, comes above, goes here. Comes back down, doesn't break, goes back up here. Comes above here 3 times, 10. So 3 out of 3, 100% it went. And this happens majority of the time. So this is my bread and butter in the market. Just follow the patterns, follow the trends, follow what the market is supposed to do. So that's what the market does. Now we at new highs. So we put it here. This is the low. Even if it comes all the way down here, it has the potential. Once it break this where the previous high was at, it can go up to here. But the market is in such an uptrend, it might not even come back to here. It might just keep making new highs. It's in such a bullish run. This is like a super crazy bullish run. So we usually look at it on a smaller time frame, and we catch smaller time frames with the same move with the higher time frame. The higher time frame is more like valid, but it's in such a bullish trend, you really can't catch it. Like this is like the only one I caught off the 4-hour zone. It came here, made a high, made a low, didn't break here. I could have caught it, came back up, and it went right there. So Zam. And then that's the only time it ever happened like that. Of the 4 hours, just one time for me. This is the only time it happened. So granted, I have been catching on buys off the smaller time frame. So granted, you can't trade the gold on a 4-hour, but you can you will exceed on a smaller time frame. So as you can see, it's breaking out on a smaller time frame. Every time it goes above here, it goes to the, like I said, every time it goes above the previous high, it broke this, it goes here. What it does, as soon as it comes above here, it goes here, then goes back down. Now you can say sell. So boom, it's sell, but we don't sell. Don't sell. We try to, it's almost at its previous high. So we come up and we enter from here and it breaks highs. It breaks highs again, comes down, empty corner space. I wouldn't have entered this. It's not in my market criteria, but I will tell y'all how I entered this. So as you can see, it breaks highs, comes here, breaks high. Like I said, we gonna mark it out for y'all. Mark it out. This is the low. I mean, all right. So this was the high. That was the low on a smaller time frame. Like I said, the only way we on a smaller time frame, I gotta keep saying it, is because even on a higher time frame, you cannot catch no moves. But so if you want to trade gold on a small, if you want to trade gold, you have to go on a smaller time frame right now because it's in a super bullish. So this is the high, this is the low, this is the high. I marked it out for y'all. Granted, and then there is open candles. So open candles, I like where it's space where it has to retrace at. It comes here and then goes back up to previous price. So basically, if it doesn't break here, so granted, this is the small spot we could have entered and is at least going to come here. This is kind of guaranteed. So this is an open candle. It doesn't want to break this open candle. You see this open space right here. No price never retrace back to this area. As you can see, it's wicking. Usually I like it to break, not break the lower and run back up. So I'm like, okay, it's not breaking lower lows and then went past a broken candle. Oh, that's the A++ setup. But I seen a wick here came up and I seen another wick here. Like we just go on a 5-minute. Wick here comes up. Wick here. You could have entered here too because it is a breaker structure. Like you see lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and it's in the super bull. So you kind of out to enter here because remember, this is the low. Empty candle, come back to the empty candle. You could be like, okay, hey, I want to empty off this empty candle because it keep hitting this spot. So if it keep hitting the same spot, usually I would like to enter. Like, so if it hit it like twice, 3 times, most likely I will enter. But I would really like to enter if it comes down from here and it just busts back up. That's like my A++ setup. But and then another entry is the break of structure. So it breaks highs, boom, could have re-entered right here, could have entered here. Could have entered here. So like I said, it comes down, it comes back down a little bit. You could have entered here for the safe side. You could have entered here, or you could have entered as soon as it broke because it's in a super bullish uptrend. You have to have your flow with the market. So you could have entered twice. This one had been as good as the first one, but even if you have entered here, you at least guarantee here close at break even. Say you want to go at least a 2R. Boom, it still hits 2R. 2R, you close that break even if it does hit back, and then boom. But I entered this one and it was a 5. So, like I said, it's easy. It's easy to catch it. You just have to follow the trend. Don't try to counter trade. Some people do counter trade, but I just never seen success from that. You follow the trend. You do what it do. You see, you make the higher highs, the higher lows, and then you do what you do. Like you see, I entered this today, a small little jump. So even I entered a little 101, boom, and then got out. Easy, simple. Like it's just super easy. Super easy. So that's what I see from gold. Okay. Now gold. We looked at gold. So the best opportunities I see from gold, high. Like I said, gold has a clean fucking structure right now. This is where it broke out. Is all right, is lows, boom, 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 boom. Like it's so easy to just like gold is just in such a magnificent run. It's just in such a crazy run, bro. In such a crazy run. All right, so what I would have did for gold, um, even you could look at 15-minute open space. I'm just showing you what I would have did for gold. Open space. Uh, wouldn't do this open space because it's too high. Granted, it did work. Like how much times it works? Open space breaks down, comes up, enter here. This is the low. Never hits the low, but it's not a good RR, so you wouldn't take it. This is not a good RR either. So all right, but I did take this. But you can still use 15-minute. So 15-minute, a good RR. Um, Granted, it was the same. This is just a little bigger. So granted, you can use this as a RR. So these are two spots you could have entered. Comes down, it breaks out. You enter here, comes back down, breaks out, comes back in here. You could have entered again, or you could have entered if you were scared the first time, and it goes straight up for a nice 101. A nice 101. Simple. Now doesn't now look lower low, higher high. This is the low. I'm at this is the new high. This is the new low. It breaks out, comes up, comes down, comes up. Now it's about to break highs again. So most likely you probably could have just get this. You don't know where price is going. Uh Maybe from here. But we would like to see something else. So this will be the new low because this was the lowest point before it broke out of here. Because this is the same as this. And yeah. Like even on the 15-minute. So the 15-minute it broke out from here. But on the 5-minute, like sometimes like the 5-minute you wouldn't enter nowhere here. Why? Because the 5-minute low is here. Or you could say, hey, this is a fake out. But on a 15-minute, look, 15-minute, the low is here. Granted. Look at this. Look what happened. Where did it hit? Boom, boom. It's another place you could have bought. High, low. All right, look. High, low, breaks here, but it did break here. So, oh no, so you can't do that. You can't do that. My fault. I probably just wouldn't have answered, in all honesty. Could have been a fake out though. Sometimes you can say fake out, but even or, like people would say here, but you just don't want to force it. So this is probably the best option. This is like the A plus option. This is like if you enter from here, granted you would have won, but it's not an A plus to me. Like it's not an A plus. It's like a B, a C, because granted you don't know. I want structure to break. I want structure to break. So that's what I see in gold. Now let's get off gold. Gold is very popular. Very, very. Now we're going shoe hash a sharshi. Granted. Granted, like what I said, now this is where we could see actual patterns. Higher high, your trend, higher high, boom, low, high, doesn't break low, comes above here. We tracing the market from here. Nice 3 to 8. Perfect 3 to 8. We wanted market to come here. Well, you see it double tap twice. What I say? Boom, boom, you enter. Wazam. And then we wanted price to come a little deeper, and then bars do. If it doesn't break here, we enter from here, and then we just hold to ride. Like I said, 4 hour, you can see the trends. This is the higher high, this is the lower low, even on small. And so this is on a smaller time frame. Like, look at this. So you don't want price to break here, but this is the high. So if it breaks this on a smaller time frame, we're not entering off the smaller time frame because it's in a sell. It's in a sell. The smaller time frame is telling me sell, but the higher time frame is telling me to buy. Why? Because look, this is the high on a higher time frame. This is the low. This is the high. But on a smaller time frame, this is the high and this is the low. So it's selling. You see how it's going down, up, break structure. Boom. This is the new sell. This is the high for the sell. This is the low for the sell. It didn't break structure to the upside and then came down. But granted, we know price can go to here. Granted, this might not work, but the higher time frame is more valid than the smaller time frame. So that's what come in our best interest. So even if it comes above here and it doesn't hit here automatically, if it does come down, we will look to enter again. So that's when you double up your profits, basically. So if it comes down, we can enter somewhere, just an empty candle somewhere around here, take the profits here, get a little like a nice little 3-7, or so we could just get double our profits, basically. Get double our profits, and or we could even if you don't want to lose, you could put this into this stop loss and hold for the ride. So it's simple as that. So it's simple as just following market structure on a higher time frame. It's really simple as that. So look at this. Let's look. Just simple as that. So until it breaks this, we wanted it to break this. So granted, if it does break this, we can, and then it breaks higher highs on a lower time frame, we can enter. So granted, I'm in this now because of the higher time frame. Oh, what's good, my boy? What's good? My boy joined up. What's up? What's up, my boy? So you see, I'm in this now. Granted, I'm in this now. I'm in US30. I'm in NAS because of the higher time frame. It's not breaking lows on a higher time frame. Granted, on a smaller time frame, look what it's doing for me. It's making lows, but the higher time frame is always stronger. Granted, even so, if it came down here and buzzed back up and doesn't break here, I'm still looking to buy. I don't care. The higher time frame is king. So right now it's sales. but granted, overall is buy. So US30, I'm in the buys. US30, I took a little partials because I'm gonna tell y'all why I took partials. But what's good, my boy? What's good, man? I ain't hear from you in a minute. I gotta stop muting group chats, man. I probably just gotta chop it up with y'all, man. Or if y'all still do like Zoom calls and stuff or Discord, I'll probably join. So look, I wanna I'm in Nas and 30 right now. I'm at my account 1,400. I doubled my account. And you know, I ain't chopping it up with you. I doubled my account from 750 to 1,000. I really haven't been trading a prop firm account. I just love playing with my money, bro. I just love playing with my money. I'm gonna finish the prop firm. I'm just looking for like a trade I could enter and then just ride out. I was really looking for gold, but gold's such in a bullish uptrend. I just enter and get out. But right now I'm in 30 and Nas right now. Yeah, playing with your bro, like it's like I feel, bro. I'm close to passing the prop firm. I just need 2% because I did lose some trade. Like once I lost some trades in prop firm, I was like, I'm gonna pass it. It's just, bro, I really doubled my account, so it's like, and it's like if I really need that 700, I could just say, come here. You feel me? So right now I'm in Nas. And I'm in US30. But US30, I took partials already because in Nas, I took 2 trades in Nas. I took this morning and I lost instantly. I ain't lose instantly, but it went up and then it came back down. So I was like, I want my profits back. So US30, I took it because Nas got a better RR. Nas got a better RR. So I was like, I'm gonna just hold on Nas right now. But both of them are up. Granted, I ain't gonna lie, I got this one closing at. I really should have Nas closing at break even, but I got US30 at break even. Nas, I'm gonna just hold. Hopefully, Nas could do what I wanted to do. Yeah, it did a nice retracement today. I thought it was gonna keep breaking up for this one. I lost that one, but made the money back off US30. Yeah, that's why. Hey, that's why I'm in both of them. I was in Nas first. Because Nas did the big drop. And then 30, I'm like, damn, I don't want to trade both because they kind of do the same thing. Yeah, nah, it's still, it's still a buy. Fact. You know, I just like getting in a little early. Like, I will buy usually around here. Like, around here. Like, I will buy again if, in all honesty, you really can buy again if it's 9 o'clock, somewhere 10. Yeah, I just got in early, so I was like, boom. Let me see Nas. Did I get in early for Nas? Nas, I like 31 better, but I just got in for Nas right here. This was another area for me, but I feel like it can't go this low. But granted, I got it. I might close both of them at break even. GJ, oh my gosh. I didn't look at GJ. Fuck. Let me just express my feelings for Nas. So Nas, damn, this shit just dropping though. Hopefully it don't come back. Yeah, this shit just dropping. Yeah, I'm not worried about Nas. Let it just keep doing what it do. 30 actually looked better. I made 12K in the last week. I put 4,000 in the video. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna start looking at them stocks too. So boom, you said in video. Yeah, we gonna I was gonna look at some stocks and stuff after this. I was gonna break down like some stock stuff. I made 750 off the jump. Got the loan, but I still ain't mess with the loan money yet, but I'm gonna mess with it soon. GJ, oh my fucking god. I really want to pass the challenge first, so I ain't gonna lie. And then I just had 3 accounts. But the loan money is gonna be long term. I don't really care to day trade that shit. Like I ain't gonna lie, I do want to do the god damn GJ. The shit confused me. GJ is in a very confusing spot. This is why I ain't gonna lie to you. All last week I was fucking selling and I was fucking hitting. So, like, look, this is all last week. Hit this. No, I got out this one. I went break even on this one. I hit for this one. I held it a little longer, so it's really like a 5. I really this is what I made most of my money at last week, right here. On Monday, I woke up Tuesday. I forgot to put a TP. I was like right here when I woke up. I was like right here. So I was like, God damn. So this was last week. This week, it just did some weird shit. I was waiting for, like I said, my buys was like, once it break here, it's gonna just fly up. But look what it did. Look, bro, when the market opened, look where it spawned at. The shit spawned right here when the market opened. I was fucking shocked. Granted, I did win off them sales, but I'm like, man, it's a sale for right now. I'm like, I just be thinking of the right now moment because I ain't trading long term. But once it did this shit, I like, oh my, it's a buy, but I just don't know where to buy yet no more. Bro, look where I got it going fully. I told you it's gonna go right. Look, man, oh my gosh, I knew it was gonna do this shit too. I knew it was gonna it's going here, at least here. Because last time it broke here, it went here. Price always goes back to where price was at. Hopefully, this is what I'm gonna do though. Fuck all this. Price already making new highs and highs. So look, this is what I can do. It should, yeah. This is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully, it don't keep. Hopefully, it can retrace. Let it retrace a little bit, just a little bit, please. So I just want it. I just want price to come back down here. If price could come back down here for me, I'ma just hold until here. I'm holding until here with my real account. I might hold. Let me see the week. I ain't never look at the week. All right, I need a better GJ chart. Like even this, like look, it broke. Once it broke out of here, it came here. Look, go over. No matter how long it takes, it goes to the same fucking spot, bro. That's what I had to realize. But it should keep going. So this is what I'm gonna do. If it could come back down here, anywhere in here, this is valid. Granted, it's gonna go here. I'm gonna close out. I'm gonna take profits, or I'm gonna just enter a large lot size and then take out here. Like, so say if it stopped right here, comes down, then comes back up, like it doesn't break lows, and it comes back up, I would take out here and then I'm gonna just hold the rest. I like holding prices too because, in all honesty, I don't really give a fuck about trading every day no more. Like, I really woke like Monday, I really didn't give a fuck about trading. I'm like, bro, I just want to enter something. Like, this is what I wanted to enter off GJ. I just didn't know it was gonna do this. Man, you could keep holding gold. Like, the thing about me and gold, like, look, the thing about me and gold, is this my right gold? I've been drawing. Okay. This is the thing about me and gold. It's like I win gold, but it's scalps. It's like there's no good. The best entry I ever did was right here. I should have held on to this one. This was the best entry I ever did right here. This was the best entry you could have held on. Like every other entry, I don't like really. Like this was scalping. Like if I held, I would have lost. This, I never knew it was going to break out. Man, I was even talking to my brother. I was really fuck all that. This is what I was really supposed to enter. I just got out early right here. I remember this fucking day. I said, bro, I want to. I was like, I thought it was gonna retrace back a little bit more. I was like, I think I was trying to enter like right here or something. And I said, if it breaks, it's going to go crazy. Never knew it was going to go this crazy because I probably would have never held this long. Granted, I would have held long, but not no 500 points long, maybe 200. Like, if it took off from here, maybe to 600, I probably would have been like, all right, I'm done. Nobody ever holds for this long unless they just long-term investors. But once I get rich, that's what I plan on doing, bro. Like, I don't really plan on, I made 300%. Nah, I'm going to just keep holding. Because that's how the rich get richer, man. I was reading some book on Warren Buffett. He just hold that bitch. Yeah, gold. I'm just scalping right now. I don't want to hold. It's too scary to hold right now because gold's so fucking high. It's no point of holding. You can scalping. Yeah, I keep scalping this bitch. That's what it's just too high for me. Like, I don't know. Shit, gold can keep going up though. It's almost at 4 bands too. I just wish I held right here. This is where I wish I held. Yeah, I just keep scalping. Like this scalp. I scalped today. Scalp for a 101. The 101 was weak as hell, but I know gold is so fucking bullish. I don't even care. Scalp. This shit is so easy. Like gold, I ain't gonna lie. I just open up the gold chart and I just look to enter. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I don't plan nothing. I just be like, okay, gold is in such a bullish uptrend. I'ma just wait till it comes here and just enter. Damn, this shit coming back. I ain't worried. I'm just mad. This NAS took me the fuck out today. At least I made my money back. And then GJ, I gotta delete this shit. GJ, hopefully in the evening, it could come back down here. Please don't go. Please don't rise. Don't keep rising, GJ, man. Don't do me like this. Yeah, I mean, yeah, gold made me bread. I'm a 700. I really want to make 1,000, take it out. I want to make more money. I probably finally put like 7 bands in an account and take that risk. The only way I didn't put the money in yet because I wanted to see in my real account, can I actually, like, I know I can make money, but you got to see with your eyes sometimes. Like, okay, I doubled my account. I won't really doing no crazy shit. So I'm like, okay, I feel good though. Like, once I got the money, I felt a little scared. I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm like, bro, I made this. As long as I risk management trade like this, I'm good. And even the last month, I made like it just consistent winners. Like, I lose, but I would lose like my win rate like 50%. But when you see my win rate, I be entering 4 Rs and 5 Rs and shit like that. So I'd be good. And I'm like, man, I'm gonna start doing it. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't go any higher. But let's see, you said in the video, we could look at some stocks before I get off this joint. I always keep, like I said, it comes back here. Once you enter here, boom, comes here, boom. The video, let's go to no video. Video making new highs, as it should. The video making new highs as it should. Let me see what I can see on the video. Let's see the video. Let's see what I see from the video. Might be a good. It's an okay buy right now because this is like a little buy area for me. Granted, me, it's an okay buy area. It's okay. Like I wouldn't be mad buying here. Maybe right here, and then just hold it. Hold to wherever. I don't give a fuck. I wouldn't make the stop loss so low, but maybe like right here. Something right here. And then just I don't know. I'll probably just hold. Nice little buy area. Yeah, ain't no stops. I don't really know. I probably enter right out the these the two spots I enter. Right here or right here. Either or. These are the two spots if I do want to enter. Enter because guarantee is gonna come back to here. It breaks this yellow harder. Yeah, guarantee is gonna come back here. Might go higher. Facts. Yeah. Then the video is like, yeah. Because what the video? It's breaking. It's yeah. Let's see. Break. Boom, boom. It's kind of broken out of this range. Usually when it break out of a range like this, it comes down a little bit and then breaks out again. Yeah, it's gonna fly. Let me see the video. I like no video right now. It's 2 entries, like I said. Them 2 entries solid for me. If I ain't enter now, if I ain't enter previous, damn, what the hell I drew this? Right here. Might would have stopped me out this one. I think this one didn't stop me out though. Let me see Amazon. I think I be drawing stuff for this, but I like how Amazon look. Oh my god, I don't be remember when I draw these shits. Well, it's like I know where the market is going. It's like I feel like everyone know where the market is going though. I feel like I don't know. Once you know how simple it is, you know where the market is kind of going. Like I put this shit August, September, October. Like look, I put this shit up in August, nigga. God damn. Yeah, you just got like look, yeah, you see, you just gotta have patience. I put this shit up in August, bro. I said, bro, it's gonna come back here. I just don't know when. Granted, I'm not even trying to joke. It's still kind of a good buy again. Because look, it's holding, it's holding. It's kind of holding. It's holding actually pretty okay. Like, this is not, I'll probably do some shit like this. It's actually kind of, yeah, it's kind of holding. This was A plus though. I ain't gonna fucking lie. This is A plus. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I like this buy. Now this is kind of like a A. This is a good buy, bro. Now that I think about it, now this is a good buy too. Oh my god. Yeah, I buy today. Fuck all that shit. I buy like. Well, let me see how today look. Okay, what is it? Tuesday. So the market opened 9:30. Let's see 9:30. 9:30. Hell yeah, I just buy like. Let me see. All right, let's see Monday. Or even Monday, you could have bought it. I probably would have bought like right here on Monday, like 12:30. Yeah. Like right here. Tuesday, you could have bought 2 though, because it just keep waking. Yeah, this shit clean. Yeah, Amazon it look good. Like I said, I'll leave this here. It's either going to hit here and then keep going down. Not really keep going down because it's in uptrend, but I can't tell a market what it do. But you just follow the trend. Like I said, it dropped a little bit. It's not breaking structure to the downsides. Just buy. Simple as that. Now Amazon are good. I'm gonna leave this here because this is something I like really enter. I see. What else we looking at? Well, let's see Tesla, man. You know, like I said, I was a big fan on Tesla, bro. Look where I put my TP. I'm a still a big bro. Oh my god, bro. I need a long-term trade, bro. I need that's why I need that bag. Cause it's like I'm trying to just make these quick flips real quick, but it's like, bro, I wrote this shit in like July. Yes, I put this in July. I said, bro, in July, I said this shit gonna come here. I just don't know when. I don't see this shit just. Oh my god, this is clean. And then ooh, this is clean. Tesla. Ooh, you see, I know you see Tesla. You made some money off. Let me see. Look at you at enter off Tesla. Yeah, Tesla almost at this point where it just Tesla at a point where it's kind of almost done. But it got a little bit more to go. But Tesla is at a point it's almost done. Like imagine just holding this bitch. Boom, boom, boom. Like imagine just holding this shit. I wrote this in July. I remember writing this. I said, bro, Tesla's going to buy. I said, if it passed this yellow line, it's going crazy. I knew it was going crazy once it passed this yellow. Let me see. Nah, bro, now that I make money off the market, this shit seems so damn easy. Maybe because I'm actually getting money. This shit seems so easy. It's like I wake up with a little joy. Bro, I wake up with a little joy. I just need your type of money. He told me I'm making 7K off the market and shit. It's like I can make 7. I just don't got it. Well, I do got it. I'm just about to do it now. I'm about to start making videos and stuff. So I got like short-term videos, like me making like 200-300. So like when I do like the big money, that's when I'm gonna start posting like short-term videos and stuff like that. Hopefully I get some little attention and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a TikTok and everything off it. I'm just trying to learn how to work the shorts off the live. So like every time I catch like a setup, I'm gonna do it on the live, do a little screenshot how much I made off the broker, and I'm gonna just post it on the short. But it's just gonna take me a minute to. I know because I got a NVIDIA gaming card, so it could just record and chop up everything for me. I never knew that shit. Man, I be feeling it's like I ain't even lazy. I feel like I just got to get qualified. Yeah, it's another stream of income, man. I just feel like I'm disciplined. Once I started going live Monday, Thursday, I said I gotta just keep doing it. Ain't no point of quitting. And I love doing it anyway. So I feel like I could help another person out. Just I never know if I just keep doing this. Then one of my lives this week just had the most viewers. It had like 100. It had a lot of people in that shit. I don't know which. It just had a hell of viewers, so I just keep going. That shit made me feel a little good. But Tesla. Nah, but I feel like cause look, you already kind of got like, you gonna have like, I ain't gonna lie, I already know you gonna have like 10 people in your live already, man. You already got the credentials and you got the money. Niggas gonna fuck with you because it's like if you just show how much you make, especially, I know niggas gonna fuck with you. You gonna have like 100 people. Me, I ain't really even tripping on the people. This live just for me. I just know the people gonna grow. But I know your ass, you could have like 100 easy today, like, cause niggas don't really be making money like that. And if I show my I make $250 off a trade, they gonna be like, that's all right. But niggas want to see the money you making. And then you know you got that experience on your belt. Shit, I ain't trade Robinhood in a minute. Look at this shit. I didn't know it was gonna go here. You at least gonna have 100. Low key. Low key, because you kind of already got, I don't know. So you already kind of got like a team already. They gonna fuck with you and they gonna try to like push your stream. So it's like, if I was you, I'd do it. Cause that's another source of income. You already making what? I made 10K off the market. Nigga, push your shit. You make another 4,000 real quick. And you helping hella niggas just putting them on. I'll do it if I was you. Shit, I'll motivate you. Shit. Cause I know you had way more viewers than me. Shit. Cause you're already gonna have hella niggas. People don't be making it for man. Man, I be feeling like that's the fate, man. It's like if you making the real money, you just post every day. Yeah, exactly. If people don't be making that money, you making money and you making hella bait, even for like 2 bands, niggas would be proud of. They like this nigga made 2 bands, 3 bands a week. Shit, man, I'ma just tune in. Niggas don't even want to see that 100K. I just made 100K. Niggas don't give a fuck about it. As long as you make like what average income is, say you make like 4 or 5K in a month. That's what I'm trying to make off the markets. Niggas would be happy off that shit. Cause I made 4K at my job, 5K at my job, and make another 5K off the market. Yeah, man. I'm telling you. Well, look, if you trying to do a little Discord or something tomorrow, I'll do it. I'll probably get off this shit in a minute, but let's see what else we looking at. Let's see Apple. But yeah, I feel like you should do it though. You ain't got nothing to lose, man. Yeah, Apple did his thing. Apple did his thing. Apple did his thing. Oh my gosh, Apple is so clean. Apple, oh my gosh. Let's see. Hold up. Let's go to 4 hour. Check this out. Apple, yeah, Apple is so clean. Come here, go to hour, breaks here. This is the high, comes here. I don't even know where to enter. I ain't even gonna hold you though. Let me see. Maybe at most here. At most, I don't know. Maybe like right here. Let's see 5 minutes. Yeah, this ain't bad. Put it right here. Stop loss right here. TP. Just close it out at break even right here. And then just hold. Oh my gosh. That's what I would have did. Man, I'll do the Discord. I'll join up on that shit tomorrow. Just let me know. I'll be going live 7 o'clock. Even I'll go live on Discord with y'all. Chop it up. Do a little chop up session. But fuck. If you forget, I'll just do it. Oh fuck. Apple was clean. Damn. All right, but damn. Yeah. The only way I be wanting to trade stock because some days I just don't give a fuck about trading. Because some days, like Monday, I just didn't give a fuck about trading nothing. Like Monday, what was Monday? Yeah, Monday, I just didn't give a fuck. I honestly didn't care. I think I traded gold in one. That's it. Well, hopefully this could go up. If it just come here, I might just close it out at break even. I think I closed out US30 at break even just cause. I don't know why. I really should. Well, I ain't gonna lie. If it was fucking morning time, I probably would have re-entered. But hopefully in the morning, it's not break even. Yeah, Apple was fucking clean. Hopefully. At least come here, because even if it go break even and it lose, I don't be giving a fuck. I don't. I know this long term, I'm gonna win. Or I could just take profits. I took profits on 30. If it come here, I'll take profits and then close break even. Win a low 100 or something. I probably win like $80. Yeah, I probably win like 80. Yeah, if it come here, I win like 80. Cause it might could just this is where it broke out at. It might could just go back down. So if it touch here, I'm gonna take a little profit and then just close out at break even. US30 already break even. Gold already making highs already. and shit. Let's see. I ain't really been looking at crypto. Crypto gonna have its own fucking time. Like crypto just gonna have it. I don't know. Crypto gonna do whatever it want to do. Okay. Yeah, never go bro. Crypto. I don't give a fuck about crypto. Crypto, I'm just holding. I got money in. I got like 2 bands, 3 bands in crypto, like 2.6. But I don't give a fuck. Let's see what Amazon talking about. Didn't we look at? Oh no, we did look at Amazon. What else? Let me look at one more. We looked at the hood, Nvidia, Tesla. We looked at everything, low key. Let's look at a little Netflix. Netflix going up. Let me look at my favorite. Let me look at my favorite. Ooh, let me look at my favorite. Nah, I wouldn't know what to do with this. I ain't gonna hold you. In all honesty, I just wouldn't touch this right now. Yet. Let me see. Wait. Let me see. Maybe I would. Hold up. Cause I got all this bullshit on the shit. Hold up. We ain't gonna be over here too long, but I want to see something. Sales comes here. Nah, I wouldn't do nothing with this yet. Not yet. Let's see the hour. Like even on an hour, I probably would have lost. Cause look, not really. Cause if I entered here, I'd have made TP like right here. Stop loss. Yeah, stop loss about right here. Really wouldn't make stop loss this year. If it goes up this high, I'm really might just put it like right here. Like if it goes up, like the original stop loss would have been here, but if it goes up this, I'm closing right here just to not lose as much profits. Man, I was talking to like I said, I was talking to my brother the other day about that shit. I said, bro, I kept saying the shit. I said, bro, because look what gold did. Look, it just range. Boom, boom. You know when it breaks out of range, it's gonna fucking fly. Look, boom. It's been doing this for a minute. Boom, 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 boom. Just playing ping pong with this bitch. I said, bro, if it breaks out from here, it's going to fly. I ain't think it was gonna fly this high. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I knew it was gonna fly. Like I bought it from here, but I wanted a better position. Just imagine though, even if I held it, I lowered the lot for this position. I didn't make a crazy position because I'm like, even if it goes up, I'm gonna just make some money. I made money, but I'm like, bro, I could have made way more, bro. It went up to here. I said, oh shit, I could have held. The next day it went up to here. I said, oh my fucking god. And then the next spot I was supposed to hold gold. The only way I didn't hold this gold right here is because I think I kept losing when I was trying to buy. I lost twice. I think I lost one right here and then one right there. So when I bought this one, as soon as it hit like a 4R, I said, bro, I'm just taking it. It's a 4R, bro. I should have just took like 80%. Even if I took 80% of the profits, I would have made that shit back if it was right here. I could have took 80% of the profits and waited 2 weeks or a week, and I would have made the same amount of profit I took out of that 80%. That would have been crazy. That's crazy. But look, I did 55 minutes, bro. I'm about to get off this joint, but I'm gonna hit you 7 o'clock or just join my joint, and then I'm gonna just load up the Discord or something like that. Bet my boy. Just tell everybody you just doing the Discord tomorrow. I can chop it up there. I like to hear y'all talk to stocks and stuff like that, man. Just to enjoy, making money. But all right, bro, I'm gonna be up here.